Here are 10 AI applications that truly shine. Even if it isn't always clear, you've probably used some sort of AI if you used Uber, or had your phone autocorrect a misspelled phrase. For example, if you typed artificial intelligence into Google and made your way to this video. Today, we'll look at 10 ways in which artificial intelligence helps us save time, money, and energy in our daily lives, from the first example, maps and navigation, to the last. Number 1. Navigation. With the introduction of AI, we no longer need paper maps or directions. Instead, we can simply pull up an app like Waze, Google Maps, or Apple Maps on our phones and key in our location. But how does the software know where to go? And more importantly, the optimal route? Formerly, only satellite-based GPS was accessible. Currently, AI is being included to give consumers a much more enhanced experience, making it easier to navigate by providing suggestions about traffic distance, left and giving voice suggestion of the route. 2. Smart cars. Smart cars are one area where AI is becoming increasingly important. Not only large companies like Tesla, but many of the other companies are using automation in their vehicles. This is a prime example of how artificial intelligence is impacting the automotive industry. Using computer vision image detection and deep learning, autonomous vehicles can navigate without any human input. Crazy, right? 3. Autocorrection. Word processors, messaging apps, and everything else that uses written language have autocorrect AI algorithms built in that employ machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing to spot and correct grammar and spelling errors. It appears that linguists and computer scientists collaborate to teach machines grammar in the same way that you were taught it in school. The algorithms are trained on high-quality language data, allowing the editor to flag mistakes such as a missing capital letter. 4. Facial recognition. The usage of virtual filters on our faces while taking images and utilizing Face ID for unlocking our phones are two examples of artificial intelligence that are already a part of our daily lives. The former involves face detection, meaning any human face is detected, while the latter employs face recognition, through which a specific face is recognized. Facial recognition is also used for surveillance and security by government facilities and airports. 5. Smartphones. The smartphone you're using right now to watch this video is an example of artificial intelligence, and you probably already know that. However, you may not know that the portrait mode in your phone's camera is also based on AI. In the future, we may expect to see even more advancements in the convenience and utility of our smartphones as a direct result of the application of artificial intelligence. 6. Smart houses. Smart houses are homes that have been equipped with various smart home devices that make use of artificial intelligence technology to enhance the quality of life for the inhabitant. These devices are designed to be user-friendly and can be controlled through a smartphone app, smart voice assistants such as Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, or even through simple voice commands. One of the most common examples of smart home devices is smart lighting. These are light bulbs that can be controlled from a smartphone app or voice commands and can be set to automatically turn on and off at certain times of the day. This not only saves energy, but it also adds a level of convenience to daily life. Another example of smart home devices is smart thermostats. These thermostats learn the temperature preferences of the inhabitants and automatically adjust the temperature accordingly. They can also be controlled from a smartphone app or voice commands, making it easy to adjust the temperature even when away from home. Smart locks are another popular example of smart home devices. These locks can be controlled from a smartphone app or voice commands and can also be programmed to automatically lock and unlock at certain times of the day. This provides a level of security and peace of mind for homeowners. Smart homes can also include smart home security systems that use AI technology to monitor the home for any suspicious activity. For example, smart cameras can be placed around the home and can detect any movement or sound. If any unusual activity is detected, the homeowner will receive a notification through their smartphone app. 7. Social media. If you don't think the rise of autonomous vehicles will affect you since they aren't available in your city just yet, I'd like to suggest something without which your day would not be complete. Yes, we're talking about social media, whether Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, or any of the other available social media apps that's your favorite. The truth is that when you're using social media, the vast majority of your decisions are being influenced by artificial intelligence, from the notifications you received to the feeds you see in your timeline. Artificial intelligence selects and organizes everything. It takes into account everything you've done on these sites, from searches to interactions to behaviors, and then customizes what you see and do. 8. Chatbots. A growing number of businesses are turning to AI chatbots as a way to streamline their inefficient and often costly and difficult to manage customer care departments in a way to improve the customer experience. The algorithms in the program make it possible for robots to do tasks like answering frequently asked questions, tracking orders, and directing phone calls. Through NLP and machine learning, chatbots are being trained to mimic human customer service employees in conversation. 9. Electronic transactions. Because going to the bank for every transaction is a huge time sink, banks are now using AI to help clients out by streamlining the payment process. If you haven't been to the bank in 5 years, you're not the only one. Using AI for security, identity management, and privacy controls has allowed for deposits, transfers, and account openings to be completed remotely. 10. Video games. The video game industry is reportedly one of the first to embrace AI. If you've ever played an offline racing game and wondered who's my opponent, you'll know the answer: bots. One of the most impressive achievements in the field of artificial intelligence is DeepMind's AI-based AlphaGo software, which is well known for defeating Lee Sedol, the world champion in the game called Go. The new system, termed AlphaGo Zero, taught itself to master the game, unlike the previous AlphaGo, which DeepMind trained over time, using a significant quantity of data and supervision. In conclusion, we've seen how AI has revolutionized various industries and has found its way into our daily lives, whether it be through navigation apps, smart cars, autocorrect, facial recognition, smartphones, smart homes, social media, or chatbots. These 10 AI applications have made our lives easier, more convenient, and more efficient. And the best part is, this is just the beginning. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more exciting developments in the field of artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.